like confession, bleeding out truth in the form of a lesson.